Joy Speakers and friends, welcome back again on the channel. Yeah, so I remember telling you guys that we are going to be using the payments or the first payments from YouTube to actually buy gears and everything that just make filming easier. Okay, so today come with me as we will be going to get all of these things with these first payments. So I have the money here. So the first thing will be for us to go and get the money changed into the Nigerian currency. Then the first investment is going to be paying tithes, and then let's see how much this can actually buy. Let's see how much of gears and everything this can actually buy. So just come with me. Come with me, come with me, come with me, come with me. Let's go. So right now we are heading to Ikeja Computer Village. Computer Village is in Ikeja, Lagos, for those of us who do not know. So my husband usually gets me my gadgets from there. So we are going to be getting the gadgets from there. So we have to just stop to get some fuel for the car before we proceed on the journey. Okay, so right now we are heading to Ikeja, and if you know this place very well, I'm sure you know where we are right now. If you are in Nigeria or if you are familiar with this place in Nigeria, leave the comments, let me know. Okay. All right, so we were heading on, and then we realized there was a lot of traffic, and then we realized the traffic was caused by these protesters. They are peaceful protesters. They were just doing their thing, and after a while the traffic cleared out, and we just went our way. And then shortly after we got to Computer Village, and then this is Computer Village. Let's just check some stores and let's just get some stuffs. Hearing these prices and checking my wallet, I'm like, God help me. Okay, so now we are done at Computer Village. We have gotten some really nice stuffs. We got the one that our money can actually buy, and also I just realized that there are just a lot of things. These gears, they are unending, so you just have to like buy it one step at a time. But everything we got was just an upgrade of what I was using before, so I'm glad. And my husband helped me out, many thanks. So once I get to the office now, I'm going to show us everything that we got, see how far the money have reached. Okay, so come with me, stay tuned, let's go. So I also stopped at the bookstore to get some books. I just needed some to add some of these books to my library, and I got some of these. If you have read any of this before, let me know in the comments. I got Emotional Intelligence, How to Sell to Nigerians, Atomic Habits, The Psychology of Money, and The Laws of Power. Yes, these are the ones that I got. If there's any one you want me to read first, comment it below. Let me know which one you think I should read first. Okay. So thank you. I'm back to the office right now, and it's a little bit blurry. Let me clean my lens. Okay. So now I'm back to the office. I have my stuffs which I got here. So this I got it here. So I have this on my table. So let's unbox it together. Let's see what we have in here. And first of all, I got a tripod. So I'm excited to get this tripod, the one I'm using. I just feel that I just need to just upgrade and invest in this thing. So I got a tripod, and I also got something for my area view tutorial. So now I can shoot flat tutorial and everything will just come out looking perfect. I also got this. Okay, I also got mic.
I got a microphone. I'm going to be testing the microphone now. Let's see the difference. Let's see if it's actually a truly an upgrade from this one that I'm using right now to the new one. Okay. And also, lastly, I got another portable light, something that I can carry out when I'm going out, when I need to, shoot a content, or, you know, just something to make the whole process really easier and better. So now let me leave this mic now so I can do the unboxing. Okay, let's unbox the tripod first. So can you see that? Can you see that? And it can also come up from here. So it's adjustable from here. So let's make it come up a little bit more. And ta-da! So now I have my tripod. And we see that. Let me bring the camera a little bit close. Can you see the tripod all the way down? Can you see how long it is? So that is the tripod. Now it comes with a, let's see what it comes with. All the accessories. It also has a Bluetooth shutter remote. So that way I can control things without having to go to the camera. So you see. Oh my god. So let me just set this aside. Okay, so the next thing we got is, let me unbox the lights for you. Comes with a cord with this, and it also comes with a phone holder. So we can take a look at what the light looks like. Coming on from here. Can you see that? Okay, so this is the light. So you can always connect it here. Screw this on, and then you can come on here and screw it on the tripod. Can you see? It works with a whole lot of things. Okay, so even when I am going out, I can just clip this to my phone. So can you see? I can just clip it. I can clip it to my phone, or clip it wherever I can clip it, and then I can even like screw this to my phone this way, and then see, I can just clip my phone. I can just clip my phone to it this way. I just clip my phone to it this way. Can you see? So I can just, when I'm filming with this phone, let's say I'm using the front camera, I can just film and, hello dressmakers and friends, thanks for joining me today. So something like that. So it makes it really fun. The phone holder that comes with it makes it really fun. I'm just so excited I was able to get all of these things because I'm just really excited. Now let's come to the microphone. Look at it. This is what it comes like. It comes with a charger. Yeah. and it's a two-in-one mic. Can you see? It's a two-in-one mic. So whether I'm using a Type C phone or an iPhone, I can just connect both together like this and use it with my phone. And then this is the mic. So let's just test the mic. Let's test the mic. So let's put this off, put this on. So it's on now. Now let's connect this. Okay, so now it's connected. I just want to hope that it's working. Is it better? What do you think of the sound compared to the one that we had earlier? So, what do you think of the sound? Is it better? I hope it's better. I'm going to look at this when I'm editing, so I'm going to see the difference. But I'm just glad I'm able to get all of these things. I'm still going to get a few more things, which simply means that I know that I may have to have maybe a little bit of fun to what I have left, but I'm going to get more stuffs, and when I get it, I'm going to show you. I'm going to get some more lights for the studio office. So just come with me and let's keep going. Let's just see how far this money can actually take us, okay?
So is it that if we change the light, if we change the switch, the thing will change?
Yes. You can still color.
Wait, let
Oh,
me use
okay.
an polarize.
Oh,
Yes,
this
wait.
light is so strong.
I want the head, then turn it to side side.
So I'm glad that you guys are able to come with me on this journey. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. What do you think about this investment? Do you think maybe I should have used the money to spoil myself, or do you think this is actually wise enough? I sometimes believe in delayed gratification. I know that maybe subsequently, by the time you now start making more money, you can now spoil yourself. But let me know what you think. Do you think this is actually wise, or do you think I should have just used the money to spoil myself? Anyways, I'm glad you were able to come with me on this purchase and buying. I'm just glad that I was able to make good use of this money. So thanks a lot for watching. To everyone that subscribe on this channel, that has watched the video, that keep sharing with your friends, I really appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed up to now, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel. This channel is all about sewing, embellishments, and everything in between. My name is Muturayo, and until I see you again in the next video, thanks for watching.